Alright, video 3. Here we are, we rolled it over. And Roger's now going to grind this out. As you said, you want to explain what you're going to do, Rog?
Yeah.
You've plated both sides.
We've welded on the other side, and so welded the back of the web. We ground it back, put the fish plate, diamond fish plate on the back, welded all around there. That transfers the loads through the beams, so you're not just relying on the centre weld. And we also welded some plates along the top and bottom flanges, and that helps support the flanges as well. Now what we've done is, you can see the penetration coming through here on the flanges, on both flanges, and we probably could have a little bit bigger gap through the web, but that's all right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get in there with the die grinder and the grinder and just grind it out
till you get to the weld again, and
yeah, till I hit the weld, just go through a little bit into the weld, and then I'll do the same thing again, run a root run,
pass, and yeah, filler,
root, fill, cap,
and then I put the plate back on,
and then a diamond fish plate on that one.
Yeah,
weld it in.
Looking good.
All done.
Okay, 14 metre beam almost finished. Doing good, fantastic. Okay guys, catch you again shortly. Bye.